Welcome back. This is Danielle from Soft Natural, and today we're doing something a little bit differently. In last week or the week before's video, we talked a little bit about labeling and how I have been labeling in Canva and transferring everything over to online labels. So we did like a detailed video for you. It's a nice quick video, but I think it does go over some really good info. So enjoy.
Okay, welcome back. So now we are in Canva right now. I use the paid version. It's like $13 or $14 a month. You can certainly use the free version or you could buy the yearly subscription. I used the free version for years and got a lot done, but I do like the paid version because I can resize very easily, and I don't have to pay for certain fonts. They come with the paid version. So these fonts that you see right here are actually paid fonts, but when you buy the Canva subscription, they come free of charge. So a lot of like small little things that they might charge you like 99 cents to use for like each document you want come free with the monthly subscription, which I really like. So I have designed a 2x4 label for my lotion itself. I am ready to save and convert into the Maestro Label Designer. So the first thing I'm going to do is come up here and we are going to download. Now, this took me longer than I would like to admit in regards to what type of file to download. I was under the impression that you could really use like the JPEG or PNG interchangeably. Along with the SVG, I was trying to download the SVG into the Maestro label and it wouldn't work. So I have figured it out, and for me personally, the PDF print comes out the most crisp and clear for me. So PDF print, because I have the paid version, I get the RGB. I don't believe that comes with the free version. It just makes it a little bit more clear. We're going to hit download. We're going to save. We're going to go up into our Maestro Label Designer. We have 6 of the Fresh and Clean, and we're looking to add 4 of the Luscious Lemon because I want to use up all of my stickers. So I'm going to add a new label. I'm going to start with a blank design. We're going to click on the open stickers and we're going to update our layout. Now we have a fresh design. So we're going to go to images, upload a new image, and we're going to drop the new Luscious Lemon label right in. We're going to center it. We're going to double check and make sure. So we have 6 Fresh and Clean, 4 of the Luscious Lemon. So that's exactly what we're looking for. And we're ready to print. So we're going to go to print now. We're going to open directly from our browser. I used to use the download and print now, but it does take up a lot of room in your computer if you're printing like dozens of labels a day. And I also want to point out the Adobe Reader. So I was just utilizing my regular computer settings. I did not download the Adobe Reader for way too long. So I was having some issues with my printing quality. I downloaded Adobe Reader and now the quality of my pictures of my labels has gotten better. So now we're in Adobe right now, and this is what our sheet is going to look like. 6 Fresh and Clean, 4 Luscious Lemon. We're going to come up here to print. We're going to make sure it's in color, and some people would just hit print, but what I'm highly recommending is that you go into more settings, print using system dialog, scroll down to media and quality, and then we're going to select the type of paper we have. So if you're using glossy paper, you're going to click on the glossy paper, but I'm actually using the matte paper today. So photo matte paper, and then I would hit print and it would be all set.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on using Canva and transferring your labels into online labels and other ways to print as well. Please leave in the comments below if there's anything you learned or you have any tips or tricks maybe I didn't go over or you think that might benefit me. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.